For me personally, I like being able to teach the classes the way I teach my classes. I hit all of the requirements as well as having fun. And I have worked in other environments where we had to be very strict. I don't want to use the term militaristic, but it was kind of that environment. We weren't able to discuss things with our students. We weren't able to give them the tips and the tricks. It was, HA is the only way and there is no other way. And if you can't do compressions a certain way, then you fail. And I don't think that's a conducive learning environment. So here I'm able to give the tips that might help somebody else do CPR better and more effectively. For those who are very nervous, I try my hardest to keep them calm, keep them at ease, and really break down everything. Break down everything step by step, break down all of the advanced algorithms step by step, and that way they understand what they're doing and why they're doing it. Because when they're being sent to us for advanced training, their employer notices that this is an essential part of what they're doing, and so they need to know this. There is no way to do our CPR wrong if you're doing compressions. If you're doing compressions at the appropriate rate and depth and allowing for recoil, you're doing everything that you need to do. If you're afraid that you're going to be breaking somebody's sternum or cracking a rib, our ribs are designed to dislocate. And so I try to reinforce that as well. I'm like, unless your position is wrong, you're not going to hurt your patient. And I try to reinforce the fact that they're not going to do harm. The harm they would do is by doing nothing at all.